This is the bowline, a knot where the two ends of the rope serve two different purposes. On the left is the loose end, the right is the fixed end. First, what you're gonna wanna do is make a loop with the fixed end on top, as such. Bring the fixed end up through the bottom of the loop. Alright, wrap it up and around both the loose end and the top end of the loop. And take it back through the bottom of the loop again, being sure to tuck it in on the inside of the rope. Finally, make sure that the loose end is not caught in the loop as you hold the loop firmly and pull on the fixed end of the rope until it's nice and snug. Now you can tug as much as you'd like on that fixed end, and that knot's not going anywhere. But if you tug on the loose end, you can make that loop bigger or smaller, however you see fit. You can even remove the loop altogether by pulling all the way on the loose end of the loop. Like so.